Hi, I will show you how to make a Latvian summer solstice flower crown. Before starting, prepare the necessary tools: a pair of scissors, twine or thread, and wildflowers. If you're using a thread, skip this step. If using twine, cut the necessary amount, which is 3 arm spans. Take the bouquet of flowers and lay it on a flat surface. Untie the string. Using scissors, cut the flowers to remain around 10 to 15 centimeters long, as shown in the video. Now we can start to wreath. To start, take a couple of flowers into a small bouquet and tie it with your pre-cut twine. Leave the other end long. Don't lose it. You will need it to finish. When you have a small bouquet, add the next couple of flowers, placing their heads lower, and wrap with the long end of your twine. Continue the movement downwards, wrapping the twine every couple of flowers. If you make the crown as thick as in this video, the purchased flowers will be enough. If it's much thicker, you might run out. Remember to pull on the twine tightly after wrapping, so the crown doesn't fall apart when you wear it. If a flower is bigger, you can split it into smaller flowers. If it has a lot of thick leaves, remove them, so the base of the crown isn't too thick. Continue until the crown wraps tightly around your head. To finish, cut the longer stems and find where you started the crown. Tie the ends to the beginning in the same place where you wrapped the twine at the start, gently separating the flowers and wrapping the twine in between them. Take note that in the beginning, the crown should fit tightly around your head, as with time, the flowers will wilt and the crown will become bigger. Finally, tie the ends together and cut the excess twine. And your crown is ready. Lai lustīgi līgošana!